What's up, finance fans? Today, we're diving into the economic future of Bolivia, a country that has seen both progress and challenges in recent years. Bolivia is a landlocked country in South America, bordered by Brazil to the north and east, Paraguay to the southeast, Argentina to the south, Chile to the southwest, and Peru to the west. It has a population of over 11 million people and a diverse economy that relies heavily on its natural resources. First, what's going well for Bolivia? 1. Diversification. Bolivia has the potential to diversify its economy beyond commodities by investing in other sectors such as tourism, technology, and manufacturing. 2. Natural resources. Bolivia is rich in natural resources, including lithium, which is increasingly in demand for use in electric vehicle batteries. 3. Regional integration. Bolivia is part of several regional trade blocs, including the Andean Community and the Mercosur, which provide opportunities for increased trade and investment. 4. Renewable energy. Bolivia has significant potential for renewable energy, including solar, wind, and hydropower, which could help the country transition to a more sustainable economy. However, the Bolivian economy also faces a lot of challenges. 1. Political instability. Bolivia has experienced political instability in recent years, which can negatively impact investor confidence and economic growth. 2. Dependence on commodity prices. Bolivia's economy is highly dependent on exports of natural gas and minerals, making it vulnerable to fluctuations in global commodity prices. 3. Social unrest. The country has a history of social unrest, including protests and strikes, which can disrupt economic activity and deter foreign investment. 4. Weak infrastructure. Bolivia's infrastructure is relatively poor, which can hinder economic growth and development. As we usually do, I like to compare different countries in the world to the economies of U.S. states. In the case of Bolivia, we will be comparing it to Wyoming. Bolivia and Wyoming have vastly different economic structures and circumstances, but there are some similarities and differences to consider. Similarities. Both Bolivia and Wyoming are heavily dependent on natural resources for their economies. Bolivia has significant reserves of minerals such as tin, silver, and gold, while Wyoming is a major producer of coal, natural gas, and oil. Both economies are similar size. Bolivia's nominal GDP is $43 and Wyoming's is $48. Both regions have a relatively small population compared to other areas of their respective countries. The tourism industry is significant in both areas. Bolivia has a thriving ecotourism industry, while Wyoming is known for its national parks and outdoor recreational opportunities. Differences. Bolivia is a developing country and has a much lower GDP per capita than Wyoming, which is a state in one of the wealthiest countries in the world. As of 2021, Bolivia's GDP per capita was approximately $3,700 USD, while Wyoming's was approximately $72,000 USD. Bolivia's economy is heavily dependent on exports, while Wyoming's economy is more diverse and has a strong service sector in addition to natural resource extraction industries. Bolivia has a higher poverty rate and income inequality than Wyoming. The agricultural sector is more significant in Bolivia than in Wyoming. Bolivia is a major producer of coca and quinoa, while Wyoming's agriculture is primarily focused on livestock and hay. Overall, while Bolivia and Wyoming share some similarities in terms of their natural resource dependence and tourism industries, their economies have different structures and levels of development due to factors such as population size, GDP per capita, and economic diversification. Overall, Bolivia has both challenges and opportunities ahead as it looks towards its economic future. With its rich natural resources, diverse economy, and potential for growth in areas such as tourism, agriculture, and renewable energy, the country has the potential to become a strong player in the region and beyond. However, like the rest of Latin America, bad populist policies can sink an otherwise bright potential for the country. If you like this video, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends. That's it for today's episode of Analyzing Finance with Nick. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.